Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you might have started to see AI generated reviews. So what is it all about? So for example, you take an app in the store, and of course there's user reviews that are showing up. And what happens is that there's a new AI generated script that will start to appear within the description, where the review is just going to take, and what's happening is the AI functionality searches through all the ratings and the reviews that are actually posted, takes the highlights of the positive and negatives, and posts that information there. So I've tried to find anything that had that possibility here. I haven't found any apps. So I guess maybe in Canada it's still not there yet. But some people have started to see this in their Microsoft store. So Microsoft did say a few months ago that that would actually come to the Microsoft store, and AI generated reviews would actually appear. So what does an AI generated review actually do? Well, an example is the Clipchamp app that I don't really use much, but it is of course, video processing type software that Microsoft's trying to push, but that is kind of, weird. What they do is that here in the description, so you go down and you see a score, and right now, what you see is really just the reviews that are available with the different people posting. What you will see at some point will be something called review summary based on X number of reviews. And in this case, the Clipchamp review that was seen for some simply says, users love Clipchamp for its ease of use and variety of editing tools. It's a great option for beginners and offers a lot of great features for social media content creation. Despite some glitches and issues, it is a solid editor for anyone getting started with video editing. Recommended for those who want to make simple to intermediate content for YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. So then they say that reviewers like features like easy, variety, social media, so on. So I don't know. If it balances well what is good and bad, it could be interesting. But I'm not sure, and that's the question I'll ask you guys. If you have an app that you take from the store, and there's a AI-generated review, will you still continue and look at all the comments of everybody? I think I will. If I look at what that paragraph says, it doesn't clearly state exactly what people don't like, and I think I will continue to look at the different reviews that the apps have. I think it won't replace for me the fact that I want to see what everybody has to say before I say yes or no to an app in the Microsoft store. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.